Hello viewers, welcome back to Knowledge Discovery channel. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We are still on the topic how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Today I'm going to show you how you can add keywords to your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Let me log in. When you log into your YouTube channel, go to Customize Channel. And it will open another page for you. Now YouTube has made some changes. Before, if you click on Customize Channel, it will take you to Video Manager. Before you get to this page, Channel Customization. Now to add keywords to your YouTube channel, go on the left side here, you see down there, Settings. You click on it and go to Channel on the left side and get down here in the box. This is where you can add keywords to your YouTube channel. Adding keywords will help the ranking of your YouTube channel. Since the channel I'm doing the setting is about food, I will add keywords related to food. So make sure you add keywords related to your YouTube channel. To write the next keyword, you just enter comma on your keyboard. But make sure the keywords are related to what you do on your channel. After that, you go down here to save. So let's go back and see channel. And these are the keywords. Now everything is saved over here. And to do this will help the ranking of your YouTube channel. So that is the end of today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you, stay connected and see you in my next video. Bye.